Hello guys, this is Saiful. Welcome back again. In this video, I'll write a program to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature. Okay, let's get started. For Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have to need initialize. We will input the Fahrenheit value, then it will calculate the Celsius temperature. Okay, first of all, declare a variable float f and printf. Enter Fahrenheit value. Now calculate the Fahrenheit equation is like this. The C equal to C means need to initialize C for Celsius. The Fahrenheit was F minus 32 and slash 9, and another one is 5. Okay, the formula is F minus 32 by 9 equal to C by 5. Okay, the equation was like this. Now I print the Celsius value. The Celsius value is printf the Celsius value is %f use 0.2 and the C. Okay, now build and run. Something is wrong with this. Oh, sorry. Extremely sorry. It is my big mistake. I have to need to use scanf. Okay, scanf. The % is F, and I have to need that. I forgot about it. Okay, now build and run. Now usually the human being temperature 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Now what Celsius value? The 98.4 is the Celsius value is 36. Okay, if I use another, the 100 degree Fahrenheit equal to 37.78. Okay, guys, I would like to say you that the write program, the homework is for all of you. The Celsius to Fahrenheit. Homework for all of you. Okay, I'll write a program to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit temperature. Thank you very much.